Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a midwife in Pakistan? The journey is certainly an intriguing one, filled with rigorous study, hands-on training, and a deep commitment to improving maternal and newborn health. So where does one begin? Let's unravel this path together. First and foremost, you must complete your secondary education, which is usually the matriculation or the equivalent O-level education. This is a fundamental requirement, as it lays the groundwork for your future academic pursuits. Next, you need to enroll in a nursing school or a midwifery college. In Pakistan, these institutions require you to have a science background with subjects such as biology and chemistry. The curriculum typically spans over 3 years and covers both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. After successfully completing your nursing or midwifery course, you are now a certified nurse or midwife. But hold on, there's more to it. To become a fully registered midwife in Pakistan, you need to complete an additional 1-year specialization in midwifery. This course is offered by various institutions across the country and provides in-depth knowledge about prenatal care, childbirth, postnatal care, and newborn care. Once you've completed your specialization, congratulations, you are now a fully qualified midwife. However, the journey doesn't end here. The field of midwifery is constantly evolving with new research and techniques. Therefore, continuous learning and professional development are key to staying relevant and effective in your practice. In summary, the steps to becoming a midwife in Pakistan include completing your secondary education, preferably with a science background, enrolling in a nursing or midwifery course for 3 years, then specializing in midwifery for an additional year. And remember, the learning doesn't stop there. Continuous professional development is crucial to ensure that you provide the best care possible to mothers and newborns. Becoming a midwife is indeed a journey of passion, dedication, and continuous learning. It's a path that allows you to make a significant impact on the lives of mothers and babies. So if you're ready to embark on this journey, start today. The world needs more midwives, and who knows, you might be the next one to make a difference.